As I said in the previous module, that ads have double function, like every product of popular culture. First, in the last module, we talked about those commercials which in fact support and spread gender stereotype. And this time I would discuss some commercials to show you that they also challenge gender stereotype. And in this way, they in fact uh, show signs of change in society. This is important. Pakistani channels show ads which are not just promoting business. And see, in many of the ads these days, you will have some social, cultural message through the ads. Ads are also used to reshape thinking of masses about gender ideology, because advertisers know that people watch these ads, so they can spread different messages, moral messages, social messages through them as well, as a passion for social reform. So this is in fact a very appreciable attitude in the business community. As these ads are watched by masses, they are powerful agent of social change. For example, in one of the ads we see, in many ads, you might have noted that there is giant family. They are sitting around the same dining table. Elders are sitting, husband and wife, they are sitting along with their children. They dine together, they love and laugh. And in at that setup, elders, they love their daughter-in-law. And here is a message that husbands and other family members, they should give love, sympathy to the daughters-in-law. We see some ads in which the whole family, a giant family, dines together. It may be iftari time, it may be usual dinner time. Elders are sitting, father-in-law, mother-in-law, other family members, children, and we often see that a message is conveyed to masses. What is that message? That daughter-in-law is not an outsider. She is also an important member of the family. And in these ads, elders show love and respect to daughter. They praise the taste of the food that is prepared by daughters-in-law. So this is a message of change. Similarly, we see in some ads, husbands are working with their wives in kitchens. We know, we have discussed it many times, that kitchen and other domestic chores, they are domain of women. But these days, through these ads, a message is being conveyed that husbands can also assist the wives. There is no harm in it. And in some ads, women are shown working in non-traditional settings, which were not expected 2 or 3 decades ago, especially in traditional society like Pakistan. So you can say it a result of awareness, you can say it a result of education, and especially higher education, that you see women working as engineers, as pilots, as parachuters. So they are joining such working environments, workplaces. This is also a sign of change. We even see in some ads that women are joining professions like Pakistan Army, and they are joining courts of law. They are serving as judges. So many powerful positions. They are in police. So they are in banks. So in ads, women are shown in these workplaces to give a message that parents should allow girls to get education and professional training to join these professions. They are as intelligent, as proficient, as efficient, as powerful as boys are. So we conclude that advertising business prospers with women in ads. This is one side. These ads attract clients to the products and services because of presence of women. But at the same time, the ads also influence minds about gender values, as I have discussed, and educate masses in a very silent but effective manner.